Hey beauties! We all want healthy, glowing skin, right? That's exactly why today I'm sharing a complete morning and night skincare routine with you. What steps should we follow in the morning to prepare our skin for the day? How should we properly cleanse and nourish our skin before bed? You'll learn all of that in this video. If you want truly radiant skin, don't skip these steps. Let's dive right in. Morning skincare routine. Do you wash your face first thing in the morning? If not, you definitely should. Overnight, our skin produces excess oil and dirt can build up in our pores. The first step of the morning routine is using a gentle cleanser to refresh your skin. Avoid harsh cleansers that strip away moisture. Choose one that suits your skin type. Many people skip toner, but that's a big mistake. Toner balances your skin's pH levels and helps tighten pores, making your skin look healthier. If you have sensitive or oily skin, toners with niacinamide or rosewater are great options to calm and refresh your skin. Serums are one of the most powerful parts of a skincare routine. In the morning, I recommend using a vitamin C serum to brighten the skin, fight dark spots, and give your face a healthy glow. If your skin is on the dry side, a hyaluronic acid serum will keep it plump and hydrated. Just like drinking water keeps your body hydrated, a good moisturizer keeps your skin nourished. Use a lightweight, water-based moisturizer in the morning to keep your skin fresh and hydrated throughout the day. If you have oily or combination skin, gel-based moisturizers are a perfect choice. Now for the most crucial step. If you want to prevent premature aging, dark spots, and skin damage, wearing sunscreen daily is a must. Use a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher to protect your skin from UV rays. And don't forget, sunscreen is essential all year round, not just in summer. Night skincare routine. Throughout the day, our skin is exposed to makeup, pollution, and sweat. If you don't cleanse your skin properly, clogged pores and breakouts can happen. I recommend double cleansing. First, use an oil-based cleanser to dissolve makeup and excess oil, then follow up with a water-based cleanser to remove any remaining dirt. Exfoliation is key to removing dead skin cells and keeping your skin smooth. Chemical exfoliants like AHA and BHA gently renew your skin without irritation, while physical exfoliants provide instant softness. If you struggle with blackheads or acne, try using a BHA exfoliant a few times a week. We're not skipping toner at night either. A hydrating and alcohol-free toner helps prep the skin for the next steps and keeps it balanced. At night, our skin enters repair mode, so it's the best time to use powerful serums. If you're looking for anti-aging benefits, try using a retinol serum. If your skin is dry, opt for hyaluronic acid or niacinamide to keep it plump and hydrated. Nighttime is perfect for using a richer, more nourishing moisturizer than in the morning. Look for ingredients like peptides and vitamin E to boost your skin's repair process. The skin around our eyes is delicate and prone to fine lines. Apply an eye cream with caffeine or hyaluronic acid every night to keep your under-eye area fresh and youthful. Lastly, let's not forget about our lips. Apply a hydrating lip balm before bed to wake up with soft, smooth lips. And that's your complete morning and night skincare routine. If you stick to these steps, you'll start noticing a big difference in your skin. Which products do you use in your routine? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.